CotecMar, the Corporation of Science and Technology for the Development of the Naval, Maritime, and Riverine Industries in Colombia, leads the design and construction of riverine military vessels in the country. It came about as a response to the need to expand the security and defense coverage on the main fluvial arteries along the Colombian territory, where the Navy carries out military operations to face the illegal organizations which intend on using the rivers to carry out narco-terrorist actions against the Colombian people. The last of the third-generation riverine support vessels, the ARC, Lieutenant Juan Ricardo Oyola Vera, sixth in a series of 10 ships ordered by the Colombian Navy, not only incorporates the new operational requirements to achieve its mission, but it is also the product of an ongoing process of improvement based on the feedback of the operational experiences and the performance of the first and second generation ships. CotecMar, with its highly qualified research, development, and innovation team, does the entire design and engineering cycle from the conceptual design to detailed design required for the workshop production of the ship, its testing and delivery. The design information is compiled on a PIM, Product Information Model, on a concurrent design information system called Tribune. Designers define a complete digital model of the ship prior to the release of the information to the production facilities. Tribune also allows design members to speed things up, among other things, the release of the Bill of Materials (BOM) and optimize their use, which leads to cost and time reduction, along with more consistent and quality-based products. Thanks to the technology implemented for the design, CotecMar has adopted a block shipbuilding strategy which incorporates equipment and systems from the first phases of its project, thus allowing it to reduce the times of production while improving the quality of their ships. The third-generation riverine support vessel is a platform designed to carry out both offensive operations, thanks to its high power and armor, and cover missions of logistics support due to its capacity to resupply other surface ships and aerial units with fuel, ammunitions, accommodations, and supplies, prolonging the fluvial task group's permanence in the area of operations. The forms of the riverine support vessel's hull have been hydrodynamically optimized for the navigation of rivers with shallow waters throughout the test runs on a towing tank in Poland, which allowed the ship to obtain the speed of design with less power, therefore reducing the consumption of fuel. The main features of the third-generation riverine support vessel's performance are high firepower, represented by 8 mountings that cover all of the shooting angles, on which weapons such as the 40mm grenade launchers, the 0.50 machine guns, and the M60 machine guns operated from an object-type control system or manned locally can be mounted. Armor protection of the superstructure's hull and countering the firearm impacts through the use of armored steels combined with the design of inclined surfaces. Interoperability due to the capacity of receiving, transporting, and refueling medium-sized helicopters. High reliability of the system of propulsion as a whole, especially when minimizing the risk of breakdowns caused by the impact of strange objects, since it does not have any kind of appendages like the traditional systems of propulsion have. High maneuverability demonstrated by the easiness for heading changes along with a very small tactical diameter and an excellent behavior with the stability of the route. High standards of habitability represented by the low levels of noise and vibration in the accommodations, resting zones, and safe internal circulation to access the control and operational stations of the ship. CotecMar provides advanced naval engineering solutions under a system of quality management for the design, construction, and repair of ships in compliance with the ISO 9001 Regulation version 2000, certified by Lloyd's Register Quality Assurance. In this way, proving its commitment to the ongoing improvement and the satisfaction of its clients' necessities.